Hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. If you can hear a buzzing noise, it's the lights. I've moved them, and they're rattling through the building, through the roof. So yeah, I apologise for that. It's like a buzzing. I'm gonna have to pack them out or something. I'll do something with them. Obviously, I don't notice it when I'm in here working. It's just when I'm sitting here and it's quiet, or sort of quiet. While I'm doing a bit of filming. I also got to apologise for the lack of videos, but it's just been so many things going on. Obviously, as you know, I'm doing getting the eBay stuff ready and sorting that out. I was hoping to get it all sorted before April, but we've only got like until the weekend really, so it'll probably be in the middle of April before we get going properly. But that's from like the 1st of April. There is, well, actually from this weekend coming, there is stuff going up. Going to go up quite quick. The new stuff I'm on about, not the second-hand stuff. That'll be going on. That's when and whatever, you know. Yeah, and talking about the eBay, I sold the saw, as you probably know. That went for 50 quid. It was fantastic, and the only trouble is, bloke can't pick it up for another week or so. So it's still here. Well, it's not here. It's down. Well, still my new parts. I could do without really. And the spark plug cabinet went, and it went for really good money, unbelievable money really. But that's all been gone, posted, and that's gone. Originally I was going to do this video, I did this video Monday night, and I didn't realise that I actually deleted the one I wanted to keep. So here we are on Tuesday night, when this is supposed to be a Tuesday video, so I'm filming it Tuesday night and probably won't be up until Wednesday. I'll try to make it short, and that way I can probably get it on tonight, but who knows. Yeah, so the part's done well. I want to say thank you to everyone who's looked at the parts, and especially the people who've bought them, because that is helping the channel out already. I've noticed the difference. I've been over all the parts for the lift hand, what is here, we'll talk about that in a minute. Yeah, and it's good, it's really good. So I'm happy with the way it's going, and like I say, everybody's been really positive towards it, so it's been really good. I've had some messages on eBay as well, what have been positive from subscribers, but if you're going to talk about YouTube, can you do it on this channel, or do it on this video, or the parts video, because obviously eBay don't like it. There's nothing I can do about what they message me. In fact, I've had a couple of really strange messages as well, but we won't go into that. You know who you are. That's all I have to say. Yeah, so it's been really good, really positive. So thanks a lot for that, because it's really is supporting the channel, and hopefully it'll help out some of you guys at home as well, doing your mowers and stuff. So it should be good. The last 3 days I've spent in the workshop. Not that you can see it, I had done that for a reason, so you can't really see what's happening, because it's still a mess, you know. But we're working on it. The bench, what I'm going to have here, is now to my left, and it runs this way. I did try other different ways, but that was fine there. That's fine there for now. The parts washer, I can see it, the orange thing behind me. That's where it was, but that's still handy where it is there. I've still got my toolboxes on here. And Louis' toolboxes. Toolbox was next to the parts wash there. Well, I don't know if you can see it's there. That's obviously just been moved over, and here is the motorbike lift. So I've got the motorbike lift here. Obviously, like I said to you, the lift hand is here next to you, and there is the MTD. And like I say, I'll probably end up moving that out and putting the Westwood in there, because I do need to get on with the mud mower stuff as well. And some more mower based projects. After all, we are a mower sport channel, trying to be, but it's just not. It's got to happen pretty soon, I think. Yeah, so the lift is here. I'm breaking mowers on the lift. I've been using it for other bits, and obviously Project Charlene's going to go on there as well. I'm going to get that knocked out. bits have all been ordered now for the lift hand, so everything should be here soon. Hopefully this week. I'm going to get on for that for next Tuesday. That's my plan anyway. I'll be able to cut the videos, I suppose. But the lift hand, then I can get the. I'm getting here with the lift hand in, so that'll give me another space. And what else is happening? Oh, don't know. Not a lot, too much more in here. Obviously, I need to tidy up. I'm finding more and more tools again because they get spread out in here and you lose them. Somebody did ask me the size of this place, and it is 9 foot wide by about 14 foot long. I'll have to measure that again, but I think it's about 14 foot. But it isn't bad when you consider I've got rows of shelves here, then the bench, then the motorbike lift. That's 7 foot long, that motorbike lift. But you do have to allow more for it to jack up because it comes back as it jacks up. And then I've got another gap, and then I've got the toolboxes because you've got to be able to open the door, you know, the drawers. So it's quite tight in here with all the stuff we've got going on in here. Most people only have 1 or 2 little projects. Obviously I've got the bike, motorbike, and I've got a ride-on mower sitting there, and the 7 foot lift. So, you know, 7 foot is, you know, it's just sort of half in the workshop. Like I say, people have asked and said how big is it, and that's big it is. It's 9 foot across. I mean that's wall to wall, but like I say, when you think I can touch the shelf there and I can touch the toolbox there, you know, so it's not that big. Next week, or this week rather, but it'll be coming up in, like, over the next 2 weeks in videos. I've got a post hole drill, still one. I'm going to put a new carb on that. It's a Chinese carb, so I'll be putting that on. And what else we've got to do? I'm going to pressure test the tank on that, 2-stroke pressure test on that. I've done a video a couple of years ago of a 2-stroke tank being pressure tested, if you want to see that for details. I've got a Toro push mower outside. That's a customer's, that's playing up. Apparently I haven't looked at it, it comes Sunday, so they had no chance. It's a piece of poop really, to be honest with you, but you know, we're going to have a look at it anyway. Then I've got a haterette coming Friday, and that's what's new blades, service, and a few other little bits we'll find out, so I'll do the video on it. So I'll be doing that this week as well. So hopefully we'll have quite a few videos coming up. And then tomorrow we're going to go for a little ride, me and you. We're going to go for a little ride, and we are going to pick up a hater. And I can't remember if it's a 46, sorry, a 48 or a 56. It's one I worked on last year, and it was building up too much pressure in the crank casing, and it was just squirting out oil. But it had broken head studs. It's had loads. It's just been bodged and bodged and bodged and bodged, you know. And it got to the point where I looked at it and went, I'm not gonna. I took the head off of it and had a look, and I just said, you know what, I'm not going to mess about with it. It's a new engine. And I didn't hear no more. And then all of a sudden I had a call saying, yeah, well, I'll put a new engine on it. So yeah, so I'm going to go and pick it up tomorrow. And you can come for, well, not tomorrow, yeah, it will be tomorrow, so you can come with us for the ride when we go and pick that up. That'll be fun. Yeah, so that's about it. That's what's happening. I've got a few, like I say, so it's going to be a few videos coming over the next 2 weeks, so hopefully it'll make up for the lack of videos and all that sort of stuff. Stansted this weekend, Stansted Raceway. I'm not sure if I'm on a recovery or not this year. Not 100% sure what I'm doing yet. I'm waiting for. We're discussing it now. That's why my phone's here. We're discussing if I'm going to do it next year or not. I'm waiting for a few calls to see what's happening. They want me to do it. I want to do it, but there's an argument between them and a mate of mine, and if he can't do it, then under principle I shan't be doing it. It's as simple as that. It's a shame because I do enjoy it, but it's a pain in the arse at the same time. But we'll see. I think that's about it. So I've got more parts coming this week as well. More parts coming tomorrow to put on eBay. So keep an eye on that. And like I say again, thanks for all your support because it's been great. You yeah, I think that's about it. Right, so subscribe if you haven't done that, ring the bell and all the usual stuff, thumbs up. Thanks to all my new subscribers, they're still coming, which is great considering I'm not putting anything up. So thanks a lot. Thanks to all my old subscribers, because without them we'd be back down to naught. And I shall see you next time. Bye for now.